Hello. That's it. Holiday. Hi, Dibs.
Nice. Hell yeah. Alright, so you turned this thing into a fucking go-getter.
This is my go-to haul around. I use this around the yard more than I do anything else.
Well, I mean with this welded fucking plate here.
Oh, that's factory.
Is that?
Yeah. Everyone that I search videos up for, that's factory.
You put the frame bolt back in, right? That was
No, I didn't even know it was missing.
alright. It was this one I got it, but it didn't really look like much, so I didn't care.
Yeah, see, I missed the brake bracket. Wow, I figured out where it's supposed to go.
What? Yeah? I think I saw that too, but my spring is too long.
Oh, I know where to fix it. But it works right there. I got rear brakes now, so.
That's probably all it was.
Well, I also bent the bracket up too, so it's more an angle.
Running now.
Hey, was it?
Good old cold starts.
Oh, I just love the snow.
I'm Marcus Schneider. That's the Meister.
Hello.
And apparently this is a cold start video.
We're just stirring random stuff around my yard. Now this one's on my Instagram.
Well, the other one's been on the channel before. It just has upgrades. Hey, look, snow machine. That's like buried.
It's actually frozen to the ground. I can't get it up.
No?
Last time it moved under its own power was springtime, and the drive shaft's broken.
Oh, hell yeah.
It's stuck in mud.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's not moving.
It's stuck in the mud.
Oh,
Oh, I guess it's free.
yeah, the skis aren't. Oh, yeah, that's stuck.
Yeah, I'm not touching it until springtime.
No, yeah, that's stuck.
This one got a battery relocate.
I want to get one of these.
This one got a battery relocate. A new air filter. Premium snowblower gas tank.
Oh, I see. Nice. That works.
That I bought with the machine.
Hey, man, whatever works, works.
It also got some electrical work done.
Is electric start too?
Yep.
Man, you're just going up in the world of electric start.
I think I lost connection to the battery.
Oh.
My light should be on. Well, let's see if the electric start rocks. She is cold. Choke. Am I popping?
Oh, I love that can. Just cut it and plate it.
Actually, I bought it. It had no exhaust on it. I just jammed the washer on the back to give it some back pressure.
Yeah.
I like how the trike start is easier than this.
Well, it's kind of inside. It almost went.
Start your fuel. Oh, that's because the light.
Lights on. I see light.
It's out of a, believe it or not, that's actually from a Chevy Caprice.
I can believe that. It's just a square headlight.
I had to modify the headlight bracket. I fixed the exhaust, fixed a few problems with the oil
Yeah,
system.
yeah. It's another Kawasaki.
If you saw my Instagram, you know how bad the bearings were in this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was the wheel bearing. Yeah, I saw that.
There was a brand new wheel bearing in this side, but the other one was completely shot.
Is it still shot? So you have to replace it?
No, I fixed it.
Oh, okay.
I replaced them all.
I like how these back tires look like they don't fit at all.
Those were bought with the machine. They're off of Polaris.
I know they are. They match my old quad tires. Probably pretty fun for wheeling.
I want the E for now. By the way, it's got an electric start safety. Oh, I guess it's fixed itself. Time heals all wounds. Let's hope there's no electrical problems. I'm just gonna hose it down.
Oh, you just spray the filter.
Yeah.
Coat the filter. Now your starter's not working again.
That's why I was sitting on it. Essentially.
Really? Sitting on it just makes it connect. Oh, it has a neutral safety switch?
Yeah, it also has a reverse safety switch, but that don't work. Something tells me ether is not flammable in -30.
No, it is. Typically.
When someone tell this can of ether that it's not doing its job.
Mm. Oh, I see. Nice old burn pit. Sharp edge.
Starter's gone. Well, there was an old finish. Something tells me 1030 first is not a good idea. Whee! Whee! It spins over really easy. Wish it would start.
Watch, it has no fuel in it.
Should have fuel. I only ran it already right here. Whew. This thing usually starts up first pull.
Here, just need to hook up a chain.
Drag it behind the car.
Pull start it.
Yeah. Fun times in the snow. By the way, it's burning sucks on ice.
Oh, I believe it. You know what else did I do this thing from?
Down for, or up for gear, down for downshift. $5 says these crashes.